Small business owners are throwing money away every single day, not because of bad products or bad service, but because of their website. And today I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and ring the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. In this video, I'm going to share some simple website tips that could instantly boost revenue for your business or even for a client if you're building websites for others. These are easy wins, but for some reason, most businesses just overlook them. Now let's start with Lotus Vegan. Now I absolutely love this restaurant. The food is incredible, but this is the first time I'm really looking at their website, and honestly, I'm a little disappointed. Right away, there's no strong headline telling me what makes this place special. The calls to action are weak, and I don't see a big bold button that says order online or book a table. And overall, this site doesn't really guide me anywhere. It feels like a huge missed opportunity because I know this business deserves more traffic and more customers. Now let's check out Largo Auto, and honestly, this isn't even a full website. It's basically just a single landing page. There are no internal pages, no about us, no services, not even a proper contact page. And the only thing you can actually click on this page is the logo, which just reloads the same page, and that's it. Here's the problem: when Google crawls this site, there's nothing to explore. No links, no depth, no content, which means they're not going to show up when someone searches something like Largo Auto Repair or Auto Repair in Largo. And from a customer's point of view, it's just as bad. I don't know what services they offer. I don't see pricing. I don't see reviews or testimonials. Basically, my only option is to bounce off the page. And that's money lost every single day. Now here's one thing, fixing this doesn't always mean spending thousands on a redesign. Sometimes it's as simple as adding a form with a good offer. Imagine if Largo Auto had a little pop-up that said, enter your email and get $25 off your first repair. Or Lotus Vegan could say, join our list and get a free appetizer on your next visit. That's not just a form, it's a revenue machine, because now you're collecting emails, building a customer list, and turning one-time visitors into repeat customers. And it's easier than most people think. I use SendFox. It's one of my favorite tools. I grabbed it on AppSumo. I'm not an affiliate or anything. I just really love buying software there. With SendFox, you can create a form in minutes, and then with ChatGPT, you can even generate a pop-up code. Then you could just paste it into your site and it's done. That one small tweak could literally pay for itself in a single day. Now let's talk SEO basics for a second. If your site is just a single scroll with a couple of sentences, Google has nothing to work with. It's like handing in a half-finished essay. A good site should have proper internal pages, an about page, a services page, maybe a blog. Each of these gives Google more content to crawl, which helps you show up for different searches. And don't forget to link your pages together. If your services page links to your contact page and your about page links to your services page, you're basically building a roadmap for Google and your visitors. Bottom line, a website shouldn't just look nice, it should actually work, bringing in traffic, capturing leads, and making sales. So here's the takeaway. Most small businesses don't need a fancy $10,000 redesign. What they need are smart tweaks, like adding a pop-up with a strong offer and building out a few more pages so Google can actually rank their site. If you want a business or you're building a website for clients, take a step back, look at your site the way we just did. You might be leaving thousands of dollars on the table without even realizing it. And if you want more strategies just like this, grab my free book. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.